Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest, practical reviews that help you buy smarter. Today we're spotlighting one of the best travel-friendly oral care tools on the market, the GuruNanda Tongue Scraper for Adults. A 2-pack set made from 420 medical-grade stainless steel, complete with travel cases. Let's get straight into why this is a standout product. If you travel often, you know how essential it is to maintain oral hygiene on the go. Most dental kits ignore tongue care completely, but GuruNanda ensures your breath stays fresh whether you're at home or halfway across the world. Compact and lightweight, these scrapers come with individual travel cases that slide right into your bag or pocket. No hassle, no mess. The answer is simple. Your tongue hosts a lot of bacteria, dead cells, and debris that can cause bad breath and even dull your taste. Brushing alone doesn't get rid of that buildup. That's where this stainless steel tongue scraper steps in, offering a deeper clean in seconds. The design is ergonomic, with a wide, spoon-shaped head that comfortably fits the contours of your tongue. Unlike narrow scrapers that feel like you're dragging a string across your mouth, this one glides smoothly without triggering your gag reflex. It's specifically shaped for a natural front-to-back motion that feels effective without being abrasive. Made from surgical-grade 420 stainless steel, this scraper is built to last. It's rust-proof, stain-resistant, and non-toxic, making it a much more hygienic option than plastic alternatives, which can harbor bacteria and break over time. It's reusable, eco-friendly, and frankly, a smarter investment. And let's not forget the fact that you get 2 scrapers in one pack. Whether you want to keep one at home and one in your bag, or share one with a partner, this set gives you options without compromising quality. What we particularly liked is how this tongue scraper fits into a broader wellness routine. If you're already oil pulling or using specialized oral care tools, adding tongue scraping is the logical next step. GuruNanda even suggests pairing this with their other oral care products to get the full benefits of a cleaner, fresher mouth. So, if you're serious about oral hygiene or simply tired of waking up with morning breath that could clear a room, this is your answer. For under $5, it's an effortless way to upgrade your daily routine, one scrape at a time. That wraps up our review of the GuruNanda Tongue Scraper 2-pack. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real-world reviews. Until next time, keep your hygiene sharp and your breath fresher with Product Critique.